Kurumjari. ISTV ki pau miyang tabir papum namakpu taramnok sari hanbada maruba pau. Sarkar na puksel sengbo watpana su taunana ba atopa lalo lup sing thorakani thajade haina keno gi wangangloi silent hawkipna haikre. Mayek Sakhanaba Education Department da language ke tonganba directorate ma hanglagani amadi mathang sanba chahidagi state level championship pangthokpada yasna lupa lakh amamam mateng piragani haina yas ki parliamentary secretary Prithibiraj na phongdokre pau sandona pijari keno gi oina zalengam gi firep sungong hongloi Bharat Sarkar masung Manipur Sarkar gi puksel sengbo watpana su taunana ba atopa lalo lupsing thorkadi thajadi haina keno gi wangangloi silent hawkip da phongdokre wapamasi ISTV news ga akhanana Surchanpur district ki mapam amada unabada wahakna phongdokibani hiramsigi matangda aikogi paumi gi akhanaba report
Hokiba sahi 2005 tagi Bharat Sarkar ga su taunaduna laklabasu ngasi fawba sahi tarek suraklaba fawda warashwen ama puraktabasi Bharat Sarkar amadi Manipur Sarkar na puksel sengba watpadagini kuki singyoba homeland zalengum gi frep sungong hongloi wafamasi keno gi spokesperson silent hawkika akhanana Surchanpur unakiwa amada phongdokhibani.
We are not asking for the moon. You know, others have been asking for things which they thought was according to them correct, their rights, but you compare what the NSA NAB is asking for compared to what Kano is asking. We are reasonable. That's why I said we want to bite only enough that we can chew.
Zalengam samadi yauriba district singasi Senapati Chandel amadi Sadar Hills ki saruk yauri adubu Chandel district asidi naga kya sukundari Matau kuramna NINGTHEM ga wari sanagadagi habagi matangda Chandel khundari ba tuan ba furup singasi ayamana kukini politically naga oibu khakiwani ethnically kukini phongdokhi.
Particularly in Chandel, this group decided to identify politically as Naga, ethnically just as Kuki.
Okay.
So bad politics caused that, unfortunately.
Nakal Amaromda Zalengam ki boundary amadi administration ki matangda NINGTHEM da proposal ama thakre achumupakum lakani khalli wenena hirams ki matangda mitei nagamadi kuki sing punna wari sanaba mathau tai phongdokhi.
But it's a proposal. It has not been deliberated upon. However, the MOU has gone to the NSCNIM authority, and the response was positive because they also want to coexist peacefully.
Keno gi oina apun balanmi lising ohum rom leiba asigi stipend oina thagi lupa lising ohum dagi manga phawo piri adubu kader sing na stipend phanglaktaba tha manga fajilagle phim asida Manipur Sarkar na ground rule thugaiduna thankai thungai towi haiba maral siri adubu kader sing gi imung munung punaba honabada amadi masa masu sing semna honabada pamdaba thodok macha khara de dum thokba tabani haiki Nakalamromda hawjik leiriba sugi phim asidadi atopa lalorup amata thorakani haibagi thajaba leite phongdokhi.
Former Union Home Minister Shija, he referred to this SO with the Kukis as a role model, to resolve issues peaceably, and he was hoping that others would be attracted to it. But the way they've been treating us, who's going to be attracted? What do you think? Do you think other groups would be interested? Would they trust the government? I don't think so.
Makhatana November Kumari the Logadoriba Sugi extension Asigi Matunda negotiation Toduna Warushin Proctabadi Kader Singna Amukulai Paiduna Zangal the Chetki Hibasi Masana Tabani Haiki Cherekshida NINGTHEM Amasung Bharat Sarkar Anigi Wari Shanari Ashina upon Bato Wedra Hayan Hangbawangi Pokumda Nagasingi Wari Shanabada at Papinga Late Teluna Kukisingi Wari Shanabasu at Papiro Khali Lunana Amana Amabu Ayat Papinori the Bani Fondoki.
Nagas and Kukis are neighbors. We've had problems. Now, the government is trying to solve the Naga problem but ignoring us. Is that fair? Is that going to be, would there be positive results coming out of this? If there are two groups in the picture, we need to deal with both groups in order to have a proper solution. Now, does the world think, does the state government think, does the government of India think that it is fair to deal with just IM and not us? Manipur
Sarkar na Naga issue amadi Kuki issue singasi मतौ करमना वारोइसिंग पुरकदगे हाइबसी अराइब थबक अमदी ओइरोइदुरी कैमरामैन जीवन गलोनेना जितनिंगोंबा ISTV न्यूज चुराचानपुर
Mayek Sakunaba Education Department Language Gitonganba Directorate Mahangani Maite Meki Teachers Eligibility Test Exam Pangtolagani Haina Education Minister M. Okendrona Fundokre Maite Mekta Matiksaba Oja Kanana Batorangsu Pakalagani Haikre Hiramsida Reporter
ngasi palace compound laiba lamyan basanglen da pangtokpa luching purel singshubam akabagi humpunifal suba birth anniversary gi thoramda wangang bada education minister moirangthem okendro singna wafamasi phongdokibani luching purel singshubam akaba ningsing lupna sinduna pangtokpa thoramuda all manipur working journalists union gi president MOB Singh former minister RV Minting professor Sairem Nilvir milal gi president S Tomba Mangang amadi all manipur students guardian organization gi advisor namoijam Tombasu Sarugyaki. Lupki convener Ais Danina, Luchingba Singh Subam Akabana, Maitei National Front Amadi Milal Linkat Padanatana, Organization Kia Linkatuna, Maitei Mayek Amadi, Lord Chaukat Naba, Hanbalitaba Tonagalena, Honorami Haike. Sing District Kia, the Chatuna Singburai Tamburai, Nungsi Sanana Himinan Naba Honoramba, Kaya Singtabagalena, Lamdamasigi Nat Puchakon Naba Honorami Haibu from Pongdoki. Education Minister Moirangthem Okendro Singna, Lamdamasigi Miyamam de Milalna, Maitei Mayak Saukut Naba Kongjankia, Lepalaitana Sangsinduna Lakli, Praza Singi Apambasi, Karadang Orabasu. Ningbatungnaba amadi lebaki interesta atub matamda Directorate of Language amadi soklisingani shupna taramanga fawgi manungda maitei me ki oina class 10 pass over mairoi sing thoglagani aduna maitei me ki oiba TET exam su matangdadi pangthoknaba honargani haiki
TET for maitei me teachers eligibility test for maitei me pangthoknaba NCTE Makha, National Council of Teachers Education की Makha, TET है लोगों से तो उधर ना बजाव में आते हैं, अभी नहीं है कोई ना, लागूगा नवे में काम उतरूँ से, मनिपुर के लिए बात एक ही सरकारी बस स्कूल खुद ही मरता प्राइवेट स्कूल खुद ही मरता, वेटरनरी फार्म यूनियन लेबर स्कूल सीना, कोई स्पीड हार कर भी लेना, TET एग्जाम से काम हो गया, हाइवे एग्जाम से ना Manipur isi masuk tapi bazar ki संबंधन के लोग ये इसी की मापना बता था
Matamamada Manipurda Hanbo and Ching Subam Akabana Putoklamba Maite Mayaki Thagi Chefong Pandamgi Oina November Isugi Journal Su the release Tauki. All Manipur Working Journalists Union gi President MOB Singna Bharat Sarkar Amadi Anation IM Anina Pisto ki Waroisin Purakna Honoring Cherakta Manipur Gingam Kai Kaigin Haiduna Miyamna Mi Pai Faunari. Siraba Tanzasi the Manipur Chief Minister Okram Ibob Singna Australia the Chatuna Laitokpa Si Miyam Gyoni Yamna Laibak Tivani Amaromda Atai Razniti Dal Singasu Auzik Mai Hona Chak Libe Suasi the Mai Onsin Bagi Mahuta Sel Sai Chadi Haiduna Laire Haina Nungaitaba Pongdoki ISTV Pawgdamak Boya Ningtokjamgulena now Reverend Phillips Palace Compound Lamyan Sanglen
Bharat Sarkar gi lalong di ningtambagi lal hauri basingbu Kanglup ki lalhau onthoktuna Kanglup masen nungsinhan danabani haina UNLF ki chairman Raj Kumar Megan phongdokre National Investigation Agency NI ki Guwahati da lariba Special Court while satariba UNLF ki chairman RK Megan amadi lalong lupasigi cadre taratret ngarang court asida amukhana puthokre courtroom dagi thorokpagi lambida paumisingi wahang pahung sathabada RK Megena Nagaland bu maning tambalabak ama oinanaba lal hokiba NSN IM ngasidi sovereignty gi wakal thadokraba matungda nagasing punsin bahaiba wafamda mai onsilakle madudagi hendoktuna ning tamba taliba lalo lup ama Bharat Sangbidan gi makhada lakle umnamagasi Bharat Sarkar na sinba lalo ngaktuni Bharat Sarkar ki lalong di ning tambagi lalong sathariba lalong lup singi lalong bu ethnic line da puraktuna ethnic conflict onthopane Kanglup kiana punduna khundariba lebak asida one thok laitaba peace process singasi kauthok trabadi region asi chaukat bahaibadu oitholoi community amakangna agreement taunaba community eduki problem loislabasu region asi gi lairiba problem amadi community pumnamaki problem di loisinba gamloi haina chairman RK Megena makata na pawmi sing phongdoki
Hujik Indonesian IM ka India government ka wari sana bagi lokal ko tangkakta agreement ma taunari na pause sing mayam jawre si sam stabil ang bani exclusive boy ba agreement ma masida NSN am na india government ke any agreement taunari be it is their right adu naga khakki exclusive wakal londa lamda system adugi repercussions kari la kuya we have the koi miyam so hana concern wa from the koi ne ki wakal miyang de Pro ama kaktigi oi ba wakal mi ang di yom moi ba solution oi roi koi mayam asi mapam says kun lamdam says the koi western southeast asian hari ba lamdam says the kundamini ba proof singa say masi ama gam ga thadong na ba ya da ba interdependent oi na hingmin ga da ba chakal min ga da ba dum ba proof ga tane am exclusive ama kaktigi solution do ma lasting solution kesu lasting peace proposing amoy kana guma ma gi integration do kana guma gi teacher integration ne hai se ko khamin ba fa ekoi historical destiny di ekoi myam sing se punna himinaba punna chokot minaba adu gi busiro ma chokot ne se masi kan haini ne almase sta ekoi na matam khare gi di temporary solution be ya maduna adu permanent solution di permanent peace assess di lamdam sta kundamini ba full krimaki apun ba adu wakalo na mata pham boiga for solution da madun peace program bani without any external forces is my opinion.
NCP Manipur Pradesh ki President Laisom Ibomsana Union Heavy Industries Minister Praful Patel ga unaduna Manipur da inner line permit system chan hanaba amadi Bharat Sarkar amasung NSNIM anigi warina Manipur gi apun saktam da kaihan danaba gi matang da ngarang wari sanakre Union gi mari lainaba Minister singa Manipur miyam gi apamba matung ina territorial integrity ngak naba ngak sen gani haiba wafam Minister na thajaba pirak lahari